Good morning. Thank you for calling Mobile Connect customer service. My name is Emma. How may I help you today?
Good morning, Emma. My name is David. I have a few questions about my mobile SIM card and some available packages.
Of course, David. I'll be happy to help you. What would you like to know first?
I'd like to know about your internet packages. My current data package is almost finished.
Certainly. We currently have several internet packages available. We offer a 5 gigabyte package for $10, a 15 gigabyte package for $20, and an unlimited data package for $40 per month.
That sounds good. Can you tell me more about the unlimited package?
Sure. The unlimited package includes unlimited internet access, free access to selected music apps, and unlimited texting. The package is valid for 30 days.
Is the internet speed always the same?
For most users, the speed remains very fast. However, during peak hours, the speed may be slightly reduced if the network is busy.
I understand. What about call minutes? Do you have any minute packages?
Yes, we do. We have a 500-minute package for $8 and an unlimited calling package for $25 per month.
Are those minutes valid for all networks?
Yes, you can use those minutes to call any mobile or landline number within the United States.
That's great. I often call my family in Los Angeles and my friends in Chicago.
Then the unlimited calling package might be a good option for you.
Yes, it sounds useful. Can I combine the unlimited calling package with the unlimited internet package?
Absolutely. Many customers choose both packages together.
If I purchase both, will I receive any discount?
Yes, if you subscribe to both packages, you will receive a $5 monthly discount.
That's nice. How can I activate these packages?
You can activate them through our mobile app, our website, or by calling customer service.
Can you activate them for me right now?
Certainly. Before I do that, I need to verify your account information.
Sure. What information do you need?
May I have your phone number, please?
Yes, my number is 555 321 7890.
Thank you. Could you also confirm your full name?
My full name is David Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. I have verified your account successfully.
Great.
Before activating the packages, would you like to hear about our current promotional offers?
Yes, please. I'm interested in saving money.
This month, customers who activate an unlimited data package receive 5 gigabytes of extra hotspot data for free.
What is hotspot data?
Hotspot data allows you to share your internet connection with other devices such as laptops or tablets.
That's useful. I sometimes work from coffee shops in New York City.
Then the hotspot feature could be very helpful for you.
I agree. Does the package include international calling?
The standard package does not include international calling. However, we have a separate international calling package.
How much does that cost?
It costs $10 per month and provides discounted rates to many countries.
I don't need that right now, but thanks for the information.
You're welcome.
I also have another question. Sometimes my internet connection becomes slow. What should I do?
There are several things you can try. First, restart your phone. Second, make sure mobile data is turned on. Third, check whether your phone software is updated.
I see.
You can also switch airplane mode on and off for a few seconds. That often refreshes the network connection.
That's a good tip. I'll try that next time.
Excellent.
What should I do if I lose my SIM card?
If you lose your SIM card, contact us immediately. We can temporarily block the SIM card to protect your account.
Then how can I get a new SIM card?
You can visit one of our stores or request a replacement SIM card online.
Is there a replacement fee?
Yes, there is a small fee of $5.
That's reasonable.
We also offer eSIM service if your phone supports it.
I've heard about eSIM, but I'm not sure what it is.
An eSIM is a digital SIM card built into your device. You don't need a physical SIM card.
That sounds convenient.
Many customers prefer it because activation is quick and easy.
I'll consider switching to eSIM in the future.
That's a good idea if your device is compatible.
Can I check my remaining data balance at any time?
Yes, you can check it through our app, website, or by dialing a short code from your phone.
That's convenient.
Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. Do you offer family plans?
Yes, we do. Our family plan allows up to 5 lines under one account.
Is it cheaper than having separate accounts?
Yes, family plans usually reduce the monthly cost per person.
That's interesting. My wife and 2 children all use mobile phones.
Then a family plan could help you save money every month.
I'll discuss it with my family.
Wonderful.
By the way, how is your network coverage in Seattle?
Our coverage in Seattle is excellent. Most customers experience strong signal strength throughout the city.
That's good to hear because I'll be traveling there next month.
You shouldn't have any issues with coverage in that area.
Perfect.
Would you like me to activate the unlimited internet package and the unlimited calling package now?
Yes, please.
All right. Please wait a moment while I process your request.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting. Both packages have been activated successfully.
Excellent. When will they become active?
They will become active within the next few minutes.
Great. Thank you very much for your help today.
You're very welcome, David. I'm glad I could assist you.
You explained everything clearly.
Thank you. We appreciate your kind words.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you for choosing Mobile Connect. Goodbye.